Hey guys, welcome back. So we wrapped up on this beautiful, beautiful Lamborghini Aventador. Now this car came out absolutely phenomenal. So we ended up doing a full paint correction on the entire vehicle, all the way around, getting all the swirls out, the scratches, the oxidation. Now the vehicle only had 5,700 miles on it, but we made it look like 10 times better. It looks amazing. It looks factory perfect. So after everything is back to being restored 100%, we went ahead and moved forward and put our coating on it to protect it long term. Now there's a couple more things that we ended up doing. We ended up doing paint protection film replacement and removal on the rear. One of the black pieces from the owner actually ended up hitting, and it did not damage the car, it actually damaged the film. So we ended up ripping it off and putting a fresh piece back on it. But I want to take you guys in on a walk around and actually see the true color and exactly how the vehicle looks. So we'll take you guys in now and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.